These are the steps to sign up on CapCut using a computer or a laptop. First, open your web browser. The next step is to visit CapCut.com. As you are landed on the CapCut page, the next step is to start the sign up. Then, for you to achieve that, click on Try CapCut Online. On this new page, you are provided with some options that will allow you to sign up. You have continue with Google, continue with TikTok, continue with Facebook, continue with CapCut Mobile. It's possible you have accounts with any of these platforms. Example, Gmail. So, as a Gmail user, the fastest way I recommend you use is this option. So, click on continue with Google. All right. On this new page, you are expected to sign in with your Google account. Here is mine, my Gmail account, but I hid some information on it for security purpose, all right? But if you have signed in on this your browser with your Gmail address, it will show up here. So click on it, okay? Then your Gmail account will still show up here. So click on this option, continue, all right? And with this, you have now signed up on CapCut. So it's trying to guide you on how to complete some tasks here. So after reading through, you click on next. You'll be taken to another place, show you what you can use this to do. Click on OK. All right. So with this, you can upload your file here or record with this app and start editing your video. You can as well bookmark this page so that it will be easy for you to access anytime you're on this your browser. And for you to bookmark it is simple. Just click on this star icon because here I'm using Google Chrome. All right. So once you click on that, it will show up the name and your email address that is linked to this account. Then click on done and you are good. Please, if you find this video helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right. Thank you and see you some other time.